Welcome to CSC 121 Week 13. This week, we dive into essential, practical Python tools used in real-world applications. This week, you will be completing PE2 Module 4, focusing on advanced but practical Python tools like generators, file processing, operating system interactions, and working with dates and calendars. These are key for automation and data processing. By the end of this week, you should be able to apply several powerful and efficient Python concepts. You'll learn how generators differ from normal functions, identify iterables versus iterators, and understand how inner functions and closures retain state. We will cover reading and writing files safely using Python, managing file paths with the pathlib module, and interacting with the operating system using the OS module. Finally, you will work with dates, times, and calendars using the datetime and calendar modules. Let's look at the core concepts in more detail, starting with generators and iterators. Generators make programs more memory efficient by producing values one at a time. This is essential when processing large datasets or streams of information. Iterators define the sequential value supply for many Python tools. Inner functions, when they remember variables from their outer function, form closures. This is useful for creating specialized functions, maintaining state, and organizing reusable logic. Next up is file handling. Real-world programs frequently need to read and write data to disk. You will practice opening files safely, reading text data, writing output files, and handling errors. Always remember to use the with statement for automatic file closing. The pathlib module offers a modern, safer way to work with file paths. It simplifies tasks like locating files, checking existence, and joining folder paths compared to older string-based methods. Now let's cover how Python can interact with your computer's operating system and manage time data. The OS module allows Python to communicate with the operating system, enabling you to list directory contents, create or remove folders, and check environment information. These are essential for automation scripts. Use Python's datetime and calendar modules to process timestamps, format them for display, compute time differences, and generate calendar information for logs, reports, or scheduling tools. To solidify your understanding, we have two key activities this week. The weekly labs focus on applying these new concepts to realistic scenarios involving file processing, operating system interactions, and working with time and calendar data. Complete each lab fully before attempting the exam. After the learning content and labs, complete the PE2 Module 4 exam in Netacad and the Week 13 quiz. Remember, Netacad scores are manually transferred to Blackboard. If you have any questions about generators, file handling, OS interaction, or time modules, please email me at trboyd@johnstoncc.edu. Be sure to include your course name and number, section number, a description of your issue, and a screenshot of any error. These topics provide practical tools crucial for real Python automation and scripting. Take your time, work through the labs and examples, and prepare for the final assessment as we begin wrapping up the course next week. Thank you for joining this week's overview. I look forward to seeing the great work you produce with these new Python tools. See you next week as we prepare for the final assessment.